In this video, we'll be going over your company documents. Company documents are templated documents that you're able to send to your contacts. To get to your company documents, you'll go to your settings, scroll down on the left-hand side, and find company documents under templates. The templates created here will auto-populate the contact's information if you're using mapping to customize the document. Company documents should be in PDF format, which allows for designed and company branded documents. To upload a document, you'll just click the drop files to upload, find your document. It will then be added to this document list here. To map it out, you'll click Choose and Map. And then you will just drag and drop whatever information you need here. Once this is complete, it will save for you automatically. The next step is to enable the Flyers tab within your records. So you will navigate to your Manage Departments under System Configuration. Open up the department that you want to enable this in. And then choose the record types that you would like to have this show up in. Come down and find Flyers and click the circle with the arrow to enable it. Now you'll notice that when you go into your leads, you'll now have a workflow tab that says Flyers, and those documents will show up there. To send them out, you'll just click Choose and Send via email. If you have any questions regarding your company documents, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com.